Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word drunkards. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After the party, the streets were filled with drunkards stumbling home. Drunkards refers to individuals who are habitually or frequently intoxicated by alcohol, often to the point of impaired judgment and coordination. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.